everybody, and welcome to Property Spotlight Monday. I'm Yolanda Westmoreland with Realty First Texas team, and today we have something special for you. Welcome back to Property Spotlight Monday, where we bring you the best insights to help you buy, sell, and invest in real estate with confidence. I'm your host, Yolanda Westmoreland, and today we're diving into one of the most critical aspects of buying a home, financing. If you're wondering what loan options are available, how to get the best terms, and why the lender you choose really matters, you're in the right place. Today, we have a special guest joining us, Mr. Kip Dixon. This man has helped so many countless home buyers navigate through the mortgage process and get into their homes fast. I'm thrilled to welcome Kip Dixon, a trusted mortgage professional with Cadence Bank. Hi, Kip.
Hi, Yolanda, and thanks so much for having me. I'm excited to talk about how buyers can make smart financial decisions when it comes to securing a home loan.
Great. Well, let's dive right into it. One of the biggest concerns for home buyers is figuring out what type of loan they really qualify for and how that option would be best for them. Can you break down the main loan programs that are available through Cadence Bank?
Yeah, absolutely, Yolanda. At Cadence Bank, we offer a variety of loan options tailored to meet different financial situations. And so here are some of the common ones. Conventional loans. It's great for buyers with great, strong credit and solid down payment. But also they often come with lower interest rates and flexible terms. It goes back to the old adage, good credit, you get better options. But also you have FHA loans, which I love as well. It's perfect for our first-time home buyers. Because they allow for credit scores and down payments as low as 3.5%, which is really good for our first-time home buyers. And VA loans, which is, gosh, I wish I could do more. I love working with my veterans because it's an option for veterans and active duty service members, offering zero down payment and no primary private mortgage insurance. And then we have our USDA loans, which is really great for our clients in rural areas. So that's 100% financing with low interest rates as well. And then some clients, they require jumbo loans. In this area, in this market, we see a good many of those for high value properties that exceed our conforming loan limits of 806, 500 in this market. Then we have our portfolio and specialty loans, which we offer customized loans for our self-employed and individuals. We offer some for our investors, and also with non-traditional income sources. So it's based on a person-to-person, case-by-case situation.
Can you tell us about my favorite? What's my favorite?
So I was waiting for you to say that. So our Cream of the Crop program is our Right at Home program and Emerging Communities program. So really, it's a zero down payment, no PMI product. And I know a lot of realtors have come back to me and say, well, you sure this is not a VA loan or a USDA loan? This is our portfolio loan here at Cadence Bank that we really pride ourselves in being able to offer. It allows clients to get into homes, with zero down payment. And also we can layer it with specific type programs like grants and things of that nature. So again, we're looking at ways to get you into the home with getting out of pocket as least as we possibly can.
Awesome. Hey, Kip, that's an excellent breakdown. I really love that program because not only do they not have to bring a down payment, which is saving them at least the 3.5%, but they don't have PMI either. So that's a great option. And something else that I like is that that's a portfolio product, which means it's not going to be sold. You guys are going to keep it in-house. Is that right?
Yeah, we try to service 99% of our loans. I can't say 100% because there may be one that's sold.
Right.
But more than likely, we will maintain the servicing on that one.
Okay. I know. Just talking to some of my first-time buyers, they get overwhelmed with all of the different choices. How do you help guide them through selecting the right loan?
So, well, it's starting with the conversation up front. And I know a lot of clients are like, oh my gosh, you're asking so much at the beginning. But the reason we ask so many questions, especially myself up front, is everybody has a unique financial goal. So we want to take time to evaluate their income, credit, and their long-term plans. I always say your mortgage should fit your lifestyle, not the other way around. And I try to make it to where it's a unique situation. I don't want them to feel like they're one of many. I want them to feel one-on-one because each bar is unique.
Right. Well, Kip, that is so true. And with so many lenders out there, why should someone choose Cadence Bank over, say, a big national lender or maybe even the online lenders?
Well, that's really a great question. There are three major reasons why I would say Cadence Bank stands out. We offer personalized service. We don't just process the loans; we build relationships. Our team walks buyers through every step, ensuring that they are confident and informed throughout the process. Competitive rates and low fees. Like I said, that right at home is a wonderful product because the fees are much lower. And I've had clients get money back at closing. So, like I said, it's unique and it depends on the client and what they're buying. Because we are a community-focused bank, we can offer some of the most competitive rates and flexible options compared to other lenders. The specialty programs and grants. Like I'm the DPA, down payment assistance
guru,
specialist here at Cadence Bank for this area. And so I'm always looking for ways to help clients receive some type of assistance and help them get into a home. And like I said, we look at unique products tailored for our borrowers as well as investors. So.
And something else that I love about Cadence Bank is the mere fact that you care so much about the buyer that you guys help with the credit counseling, right?
Yes.
So a couple of weeks ago, we had a representative from Cadence Bank or Project Hope.
Operation Hope, yes. Yeah.
Operation Project, yeah. And so that was a game changer, right?
Yes.
Giving them the education and the steps necessary to not only get a home, but to repair the credit. And like I tell my clients, after all of this is said and done, you're going to be a better person. You're going to be a better representation because not only are you owning your own home, you're not renting, and your credit profile has changed. So to me, that's a game changer. And so I know my clients that have worked with you, which there has been a lot. I know that they love it. And they come back and they refer a lot of people to us just based on the customer service, right? So it's a game changer. Having a real person who cares about their success really, really, truly makes a difference. Now, Kip, before we wrap it up, what's one piece of advice that you'd give someone thinking about buying a home, but feeling a little hesitant because of the financing aspect of it?
Well, I think one of the most important things is not to assume that you won't qualify. I see so many people delay buying because they think they may need a perfect credit or a massive down payment. But there are so many other options for clients, and the truth is, like I said, there's so many options available. So I wouldn't want you to wait until you have. I would want them to have that conversation before they decide. Because we've met a lot of clients, Yolanda, who didn't think they could be in a home,
Right.
and in 6 months or 3 months or two
Right.
months later, they were buying a house
Right.
and was happy as all can be. So never assume, and just listen to us. We're the 18 for a reason.
Right. We're the 18. That's right. That's right. Well, Kip, that was a great takeaway. How can our listeners get in touch with you to explore your loan options?
You see my numbers scrolling down there,
You
but
like
you
that,
may
don't you?
also, I love it. You may also reach me at kip.dixon@cadencebank.com. That's my work email address, or you can go to my website. Just look me up at Kip Dixon at Cadence Bank. It will pop up, and you can qualify, submit a complimentary application on there as well. We don't, for me, I will not run your credit as a hard inquiry. I do a soft inquiry. That way it gives us a chance to review everything and decide what options that we have available for us.
What? I get to qualify? I get to get qualified without a hard hit?
Yes.
Really? That is, listen, you are the 18. You are. Kip, I want to thank you so much for sharing your expertise today. This has been incredibly valuable to everyone that's going to watch it and myself. I love hearing you talk. I love just knowing that you will stack programs, that some people may even walk away from the table with money versus taking money. So, I mean, that's amazing to me. And to our listeners, if you're ready to take the next step in homeownership, don't wait. Reach out to Kip. Get pre-approved, and let's find you the perfect home. Again, he told you we are the A team. Until next time, happy house hunting. I'd like to thank you again for visiting with us here on Spotlight Mondays, and we hope to see you next week.